Welcome to the EECCOA Challenge instructional video. If you are watching this video, you are a student participating in the EECCOA program and the EECCOA Challenge. EECCOA stands for Energy Efficiency to Mitigate Climate Change and Ocean Acidification, and it is a science program of the Merito Foundation. The Merito Foundation is a nonprofit organization dedicated to protecting the ocean through education, conservation, and citizen science. We seek to inspire a new generation of environmentally minded science professionals. The EECCOA program involves in-class and field-based science activities and empowers students like you to address climate change by developing environmental business plans which propose a change on your school campus to make it more environmentally sustainable. EECCOA is sponsored by NOAA BWET and other important contributors such as Ventura Water, Channel Islands Harbor Foundation, and other organizations and businesses in the region. The next step is project objectives. This step will help you define your goal by using SMART objectives. The SMART acronym stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. This is a crucial step since it will help you be specific about what you want to change, by how much, and by when. You will need to have conducted your assessments on energy, water, waste, or community awareness before outlining your SMART objectives. You will need to know how much water or energy is being consumed, how much waste is being produced, or how much the community knows about ocean acidification before you propose how to modify any of these conditions. Therefore, use your school assessment or community assessment to understand the present condition and ask yourself, what do you want to modify and by how much? For example, how much energy can be saved? How much waste can be reduced and what kinds of waste? How many people on your school campus, in your church community, or neighborhood know about ocean acidification? Then, you want to know how and by when. You ask yourself, is it doable? The answers to these questions in one or a few sentences will become your SMART objectives.
My water.
He did?
Yeah, he had to go home and change his clothes.
Dang, what did he get sprayed by?
The faucets, of course.
The faucet?
The faucets.
Dang, they use way too much water in those faucets.
I know, right? And Kappa Middle School has a big problem.
Objective is to reduce water waste from faucets in classrooms by a decrease of 28% by using about 25 sensor faucets or aerators by the end of 2020.
Your project proposal can have one or multiple SMART objectives. Look at this example. For this proposal, the students proposed a specific change of light switches to a motion sensor light in their classroom. They also added their numbers on how it would be measured and explained how it was attainable and realistic. They also explained by when the school would pay off the cost and start seeing a savings. You also want to include by when you propose to implement the project here. This is a way to show each component of the SMART objectives. The answers to these questions in one or a few sentences will become your SMART objectives. Summarize it in one sentence, as this team did. This team decided on a very specific objective to educate their students on 3 causes of ocean awareness and 10 ways to prevent it. But what are they missing? They didn't include if it was measurable, attainable, or realistic. This step is worth 20 points.